I'm spinning and I hope I can back down and turn around. I was just going for a latte, really stupid.
This is treacherous. Just woke up and decided that I had to be able to get out of my house. And now look at this.
Cold and snowy and wet, and I like our old winters better. I like it to snow and melt and snow and melt. This is not a lot of fun.
No, it's nice. It's pretty. It's winter.
You can express my resentment to the city of Spokane for their failure to, plow the streets.
Fine. It's this street we can't get out of.
I'm just sitting here stuck waiting for this bus to move. And then after I get them gone, then maybe I can get out. That's good.
Oh, just having a good time today. Out here getting buses unstuck.
A little too bad. I don't mind the snow. And I don't mind the cold too much. But I love to see spring come. This can get old in a hurry. So. But other than that, I got kids to shovel the sidewalks when they get home from school, and I'll leave that for them. A lot of ice underneath here too.
Where are you heading?
Plum Tree Preschool.
Kind of interesting way to get to school, huh?
Yeah, we've done it before, but not in such thick snow. It's harder this morning. Beats the school bus, huh?